Guys, welcome back to our channel. So I've got some stuff that I'll be giving out in the concert. I've been seeing lots of Instagram reels and YouTube shorts, and I see armies distributing some goodies, some free stuff, and all that. So I've decided, yeah, of course, definitely have to make sure I do give those off. And since it's summer, I still have more of these. I got some of the liquid IVs so they can stay hydrated. I got some scrunchies. I'm not scrunchies, but rubber bands. And I got this thank you note. They're holographic. I'm gonna use this to put like BTS Army and the back of the card. Like since it's plain, I decided to do that. I got this thank you notes for coming to the concert and this cute little. I made sure all of them are purple that I've got, and these are supposed to be nail files in purple color, but they have been shipped this way, so I decided, yeah, sure, that's okay. I couldn't refund and like write on those, so they should be purple, but that's okay. We'll somehow manage. And I got this Instagram BTS Instagram photo cards. I'll be placing one of this and also the photo cards that I've got. So these photo cards are BTS special photo cards. I think I got this in Koreatown. So yes, these are BTS special photo cards. I purchased them separately. I mean. Yeah, so I'll be packing all this stuff. I am thinking about making 20 or 30 of these, but I have to make sure they're gonna fit in my bag. So let's get started. Since I only have few of these, like I have this 5 packs with me. So and for the rest, I'll be packing on these to save space. These covers I got from Amazon. So yep, and we've got a bunch of rubber bands. So these are special. So I'll be giving this to the people beside me. So these I know like 5 of the special ones, and the rest. The only difference is they'll be having this liquid IV and packaging is different, so I can notice like identify them. Yeah. So this is how I'm gonna pack these. See you at the concert. This is how things are going so far. So pack this and this cute. Some stickers, some egg files, some thank you card, and a paper. So these are like that. I still have some still post these. These are for finals. Well said. These are for stuff that I'll be sharing with people and this army standing outside. This is our quick brag, which we will be giving. We are left with two, and those are up tonight. So that's what we're going with our great stuff back. Bye.